Researchers say there is no way to completely control red tide, but Mote Marine Lab is actively working on new ways to mitigate its effects.
Two new efforts need your help. ABC 7's Taylor Torgano is in Holmes Beach with how you can get involved. Taylor?
Good evening, Jacqueline, Scott. You can see red tide has officially hit Holmes Beach too. So one way that I can help Mote Marine Laboratory in its research, opening this new app and reporting that I see this dead fish. Holmes Beach, the latest victim of red tide.
We came out here this morning, there were no fish floating, there was nothing on the beach, it was clean. We thought we'd get lucky, and then when we came to set up, there was fish everywhere.
When that happens, Mote is asking that you report it here on their app called Citizen Science Information Collaboration, or CSIC.
It's a way to help fill the gaps between the information that scientists collect and our beach conditions reporting system.
Each red dot shown on this map of the Sun Coast represents someone at the beach experiencing respiratory irritation or dead fish. Mote says it comes in handy when you want to know the areas to avoid, but the real-time information CSIC provides also goes hand in hand with this.
This is HabScope. It's a NASA-funded cell phone microscope. It's this right here. It's a project that we are doing with NOAA and GCOOS, where we train citizen scientists, volunteers, to use this cell phone microscope.
Trained volunteers will take a sample of the water, then upload this 30-second video to the app that determines the concentration of red tide by its shape, size, and swimming pattern.
This concentration that this algorithm calculates automatically goes into a NOAA respiratory irritation model so that we can have real-time respiratory irritation results.
The green you see means it's Karenia brevis, or red tide, and the red means it's not. Mote says the project with 10 volunteers is working very well.
We're doing lab scale tests, field research, and also a lot of monitoring to find out the full life cycle of Karenia brevis, to see where in that life cycle we can maybe step in to limit the amount of blooms or to mitigate the effects of those blooms.